That's pretty awesome. Is that Cole's? It is? That thing is massive.
Tyler, you gotta help Cole get up. Tyler, you gotta help Cole get up. Pull him up.
As soon as he gets up himself.
Oh, pull him up from when I'm in?
Yeah, yeah.
Please get in. I'll pull you up.
That is pretty cool. Awesome.
Is it fun? Thanks for answering. Is it fun?
Yeah. Really fun. Okay.
What's it called?
Okay, close the door so you don't fall
Fire
down.
chip. Oh, the black. Is it a black dog?
Yeah, that's what it says.
Black dog or black beard?
Black dog or something like that.
There. Ready? Right, go. Look.
Hey, don't squirt me. I'm holding a camera.
Yeah, don't wet her camera, man. You destroy it.
No! Torpedo!
Here, I'll get it. Don't squirt me, Cole. No, I'm serious.
Here's the camera.
Don't squirt
Put
Justice.
it in your pocket.
I'm videotaping you. You're gonna kind of fall out. Take your torpedo.
Can we get the ammo?
It's kind of a gun, but okay. Does it shoot water?
No, this is just... It's gonna fall out.
I want to see this thing. Aye.
I can't.
Oh, well, there. Don't fall out.
Justice, can you watch something?
Yeah.
It's going to blood! Yeah, I'm gonna swim back in. We'll have to go to you.
That is actually intense. So jealous I'm not a little kid.
Careful! Okay, swim up here. Pull you up. Ready to hold up?
Thing is massive.
2, 3.
I could freak
There
you.
you go.
Yo, kid.
Yeah?
Do you know where the cannon's supposed to go?
Yeah. Right here.
Good.
One.
These are
I
cars.
know. Well, Cole has a hard time in
Move
the
your knee.
Here, Jess, put on
Move your
this
knee.
jacket.
Move your knee.
Here, Jess.
Need some more
Okay,
water.
Tyler, you're gonna have to make room for the two little ones for a while.
Do I have to get out?
Yeah, get off.
Then you gotta use it later. You can use it later.
Can I just go like this?
No, get out.
Ow.
Alright, I'm done filming that.